Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cosmic Wisdom. I am Himani. This is your weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 18th of August till 24th of August, as per your zodiac moon sign. So if at any point of time you don't know your moon sign, you can check with the zodiac signs which you are resonate with or you understand more clearly. It's a general guidance. Have faith in yourself and your isht devta, so that you get these guidances as a point of happiness. For any personalized readings, you can always check my email id, Facebook page and Insta page on the description box. You can always follow me and reach out to me. For these zodiac signs, I will put down the timeline description so that you can check as per the description of your zodiac sign. Thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you get the notification beforehand for any new videos uploaded by me. Share this video with your friends and family so that they can also take these guidances and plan their week. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First zodiac sign is Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. So, for Aries, the card which I pulled out is Princess of Summer, which means this week you will be very gentle and kind towards others, very sensitive. So, if you are a single, a new relationship or emotional experience you may face. Also, you might get invitations to some social gatherings or social events, or at the same time you will find a compassionate friend with whom you can share your concerns, your problems with. He or she will be ready to listen to your concerns or maybe help to give you advice as per their understanding. So don't hesitate, definitely share your feelings with your friend. All the best, Aries. Now, let us check the guidance for Vrishab Rashi, that is Taurus. Let's see what is stored for Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, for you we have 9 of Summer, which is a wish card, which means this week all your wishes will come true. So manifest your desires. Universe blessings are with you. Dream will be fulfilled. Whatever you have goals and dreams, you will definitely get fulfilled. And also, it's a magical time of life. Take this as a stepping stone and manifest your desires, and definitely it will get fulfilled. All the best, Taurus. Now, let us check the guidance for Gemini, Mithun Rashi. So, let's see what is the card for Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, for you, the card is Prince of Autumn, which means this week you will be very protective towards your loved ones. You will be humorous, you will crack a joke with your loved ones and laugh. Also, this week I would suggest be cautious, at the same time be wise to take any actions. Read carefully, research each and every detail meticulously, pay attention to red flags if there are any. Else, just go through it in detail before taking action or before taking any decision. Also, this week you should be kind to others. Be kind and be protective. All the best, Gemini. Now let us check the guidance for Cancer, Kark Rashi. Let's see what the card I pulled out for. Okay, so Cancerians, the card is Two of Summer, which means this week you might fall in love with someone and make a serious commitment. If you are single, definitely you will find someone with whom you will fall in love with, and at the same time you will make a serious commitment. Also, if you are facing any challenges in terms of relationships, don't give up. This will definitely be healed, and forgive others. definitely this is the only resolution of your problems, whether it is in terms of relationship, with friends, with family, or with your partner. Forgiveness is the only resolution for your problems. And don't give up. Definitely have a open communication with your partner. Your relationship will be healed. Trust universe and trust God. Definitely your relationship will be healed. All the best, Cancer. Now let us check the guidance for Singh Rashi, Leo. So let's see what is the card for Leo. Okay, so Leo, for you the card I pulled out is 8 of Autumn, which means excellent craftsmanship and long term project. So this week you will grab a long term project for yourself. It's a good news. You definitely get long term project. Also you need to put extra efforts to achieve success in life. That is why it is said excellent craftsmanship. The more you put efforts, the more it gets beautiful, it gets successful. Also, for anything, do more research before proceeding, whether you are taking any higher education or you want to take any important decision. Do research before proceeding. Also this week you might take extra education to improve your skills. It can be in the form of seminars. You might attend seminars, which is good for you to improve your skills, or you might go back to school in the sense you might go back to school to learn new skills or apprenticeships. So it is the time to improve your skill, it is the time to put extra effort, and definitely you will grab a long term project. All the best, Leo. Now let us check the guidance for Virgo, that is Kanya Rashi. Let's see what is the card for Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is 10 of Autumn, which means this week take steps for financial security of your family, for your loved ones. So definitely financial abundance is in your charts. So you have to take steps to have a financial security. It is the time to make wise investments, or you have to plan for your retirement. Though it is early, or but it is always good to plan for your retirement. It is always good to make wise investments for future growth, since you will have a financial abundance. So definitely good time to have a wise investments. Also you will honor your family traditions. Maybe some family rituals, some family traditions is there in this week, so you will follow and honor that. All the best, Virgo. Now, let us check the guidance for Tula Rashi, that is Libra. So, let's see what is the card. Okay, so Libra, for you, the card which I pulled out is Ace of Spring, which means this week is the time to take action. You have certain goals set for yourself, so it is the time to take action. Be fearless. So, it is the time to be fearless and pursue your most treasured dreams happily. So this is the right week to pursue your treasure dreams. So you have to be fearless and pursue your dreams. If you are looking for a job change, yes, there are amazing career opportunities coming your way. So it is good to have a career change if you are looking for. So take the lead, go ahead and chase the great career opportunities. All the best, Libra. Now, let us check the guidance for Scorpio, that is Vrishchik Rashi. Let's see the card which has come out. Okay, so for Scorpio, the card is the World, which means one part of your project or one part of your, you know, certain task is over and you have achieved a brilliant success. You are getting appreciation and praise from your colleagues, your superior. So, one part of your task is over and you have now freedom to go to any direction, freedom to take challenges for another task to get fulfilled. So one journey is complete and you are ready to face new challenges, new projects are coming your way. So you are ready. If you are a student, you have completed your education and you are ready to move the next step. Or if you are single, it's the time to get married or plan for a world tour trip. All the best, Scorpio. Now, let us check the guidance for Sagittarians, that is Dhanu Rashi. So, for Sagittarians, the card is the Lovers, which means this is the time for true love, which will be long lasting. If you are single, you will definitely find your soulmate, which will be long lasting. You will have a strong commitment with your partner. If you have to make any choices this week, you will be making choices from your heart. हम दिल से सोचोगे, whatever decisions you have to make, whatever choices you have to make, it is through the heart. Also, this is the good week for any partnership, for your projects or for your business. So it's a good time to start something new with a partner. Also, if you are suffering from some disease or some bad health, it is the return to good health. So you will be recovered completely and you will be healthy and fit. All the best, Sagittarians. Now let us check the guidance for Capricorn, that is Makar Rashi. Okay, so Capricorns, for you the card is Four of Spring, which means this week you will be grateful. You have the time to celebrate with your family. It can be your success, it can be your increment success, it can be your promotion or your anniversary, marriage, or a housewarming party. So you will be celebrating with your family and friends. It's a deep feeling of peace and happiness this week. You have a very contented personal life, you are very peaceful and happy. Universe blessings are with you. You are very grateful to the universe what success you have achieved so far. Definitely you will be proud of yourself and your family will be proud of yourself. So all the best, Capricorns. Now let us check the guidance for Aquarius, that is Kumbh Rashi. So, Aquarius, for you, the card is Queen of Autumn, which means this week you will be very stylish, very practical, and gracious, very generous. So, you have to be practical with respect to how you proceed in life. So, whatever decisions you are making, whatever work you are doing, so for that you have to be practical. You have to be think practically. Also, you have the ability to make anything more beautiful, means you have that aura, you have that charm, that whatever you touch, it will be beautiful, it will be successful. So you have that aura and you are spreading across others. Also, this week you might meet someone who can help you to fulfill your dreams, who can make your dreams come true. So for example, if you are starting a business, you will find a partner with whom your dreams will be fulfilled. Or you are doing a project and you need finances, you will find somebody who can help you with. So definitely your dreams will come true with the help of someone. So all the best, Aquarius. Now let us check the guidance for Pisces, Mean Rashi, the last zodiac sign. Okay, so Pisces, this week you have the card King of Winter, which means this week you are very experienced, you are very fair minded. Whatever decisions you will be taking for your team, it will be fair. You are very knowledgeable. People are coming to take advice related to career from you. So you will give professional advice or you will seek advice from someone who is professional and objective. Also, this is the right week for people who are into public speaking and motivating others. Also, you are more focused towards career, you use mind over emotions. So there is unemotional relationship. If you are having any relationship, you are not focusing on romance, you are not focusing on any emotion. So it is an unemotional relationship because you are more focused towards your career. So all the best, Pisces. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video every week, and I am sure this weekly horoscope definitely help you to plan your week in a proper way. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.